Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to AS Education Academy. We are running these online classes for the sake of children due to COVID pandemic situations. Today is the very first class of English. Children, today we are going to discuss the first unit of third class English. So children, I would like to ask you one question. How will you travel from one place to another place, children? Reply to me. Travel की मतलब क्या होती है बच्चों? अच्छा ठीक है, मैं समझा देती हूँ पहले. What is meant by travel? एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर सफर होने को क्या बोलते हैं? Travel बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? Travel. Going from one place to another place is known as traveling. Okay. How do you travel from one place to another place, children? Very good, children. Very good. How will we travel? By bus, train, walking. Na? Very good. Today we are going to discuss about the particular type of vehicle. That is our first unit. Our today's topic is about train. Our today's topic is about train. Okay, children. Let's get started with our very first unit. All of you look at the first sheet of the first unit, children. What do you look in the children picture? All of you look at the picture and say, what do you look at in the picture? Yes, children. Very good. क्या क्या दिखाई देते हैं बच्चों आपको ये पिक्चर में, पहला पिक्चर में? Very good. All of you saying correct answers. Very good, children. So, you look train. What is train? How is the train, children? Do you look any changes in the train? Yes, children, very good. It has a face. It has a face on the engine. Very good. And what are the people doing in the children? What are the people doing in the picture, children? Very good, children. Some are doing their works and some are waiting for the arrival of the train. Very good, very good. What are the people doing means? Some are doing their works and some are waiting for the arrival of train. How many people are there in the station, children? Can you say? Yes, we can count. So you count and say, children. So now all of you turn the page, children. Turn the page. Yeah. Do you look at the picture now? Do you look at the second first sheet of this lesson? So what is the speciality of this train, children? It has a face. हाँ बच्चों, मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ. हम सबको मुंह है, हम सबको बात करने के लिए मुंह है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? बात कर सकते हैं. ट्रेन को भी देखिए. All of you look at the train also, children. So it has a face. It means it can talk. So what is the speciality of this train? It can talk. So it is a talking train. ये ट्रेन की क्या स्पेशलिटी है बच्चों? वो बात कर सकती है. स्पेशलिटी क्या है इस ट्रेन की? बात कर सकती है. तो उसे क्या बुलाया जाता है? टॉकिंग ट्रेन. So what is the name of our first lesson, children? First unit of English, children? That is talking train. What is the unit name? Talking train. Say once again. Talking train. So what is the speciality of our train? It is a talking train, so it can talk. Okay, children. Children, now you can say, what are the different things that people in this picture are doing? Some are getting into the train, some are selling products, some are giving tickets. So, different people are doing different things. What are the various rules that we follow while we are at railway station? बच्चों, मुझे आप एक बात कहिए, अगर आप लोग रेलवे स्टेशन पे हैं तो क्या क्या रूल्स याद रखना है? What you should have to remember? That first point is you should have a platform ticket. What is the first point, children? Platform ticket रहना जरूरी है. What is the second point, children? You should not get into the train unless until it was stopped. What is the second point? You should not get into the train unless until it was stopped. ट्रेन पूरी रुके तक आप उसमें चढ़ना नहीं चाहिए. So children, so you know about the train. And what is the speciality of our train? That it is a talking train. So children, what are the other things you look in the picture? One thing is train and one thing is TV. Can you see the TV? Yes, TV also there. There is a book stall, there is a tea stall. So these are the different things which we can look in the picture. Now children, I am going to say a small text to you and I'll ask some questions after telling this text. Are you ready children? Okay children, let's start. So ready to listen? Okay then. Mary went to the railway station with her parents to receive her grandparents. Where did Mary went? Where did Mary went children? Railway station. Very good. Giving correct answers. Good students, right? Mary went to the railway station with her parents to receive her grandparents. She heard an announcement. Here it is. Your attention please. Train number 12727 Godavari Express coming from Visakhapatnam is running late by 45 minutes. It will now arrive at 9:45 p.m. We regret the delay because of bad weather. तो बच्चों, वो announcement क्या था बच्चों? What is that announcement children? हाँ, the announcement is saying that the Godavari Express which is coming from Visakhapatnam is late for 45 minutes. How much? कितना देर वो लेट आ रही है बच्चों? वो गोदावरी एक्सप्रेस विशाखापट्टनम से आ रही, सो जो ट्रेन कितने मिनट से लेट आ रही? 45 minutes. How many minutes by how many minutes it is running late children? 45 minutes. तो वो कब आने वाली है? 9:45 p.m. When it is coming to arrive children? 9:45 p.m. It is delayed by 45 minutes. तो ये था बच्चों listening text जो था बहुत छोटा. It is a very small text. Now I will ask you some questions children. You have listened this text now. You should answer to my questions. Ready children? Okay. First question is the Godavari Express was on time. बच्चों गोदावरी एक्सप्रेस टाइम पे आई है क्या? Say yes or no, true or false? Okay. No children, it is false because the Godavari Express was not on time. Godavari Express सही टाइम पे नहीं आई है बच्चों. The correct second question is the correct arrival time of the train was 9 p.m. Is it true children? Is it true or false? The correct arrival time of the train was 9 p.m. Is it true? Isn't it? No children, it is wrong because it is late by 45 minutes. How many minutes it is late? 45 minutes. So it will arrive at what time? 9:45 minutes. So it is wrong. So it is false. What should you write? False. बच्चों वो ट्रेन 9 बजे पहुंची है क्या? No, wrong है. वो 9:45 को पहुंची है. 45 minutes late थी ना ट्रेन. So it is false. All of you write false then. Okay, for the first question you write true children and for the second question you write false. So now let's look at the third question. The train was coming from Vijayawada. Is it true children? Is the train was coming from Vijayawada? Think children, think and say the answers. बच्चों वो ट्रेन विजयवाड़ा से आ रही है क्या? वो ट्रू है फॉल्स है? Is it true or false? Say children, is it true or false? Say children, is it true or false? No, it is false. बच्चों वो ट्रेन विजयवाड़ा से आ रही थी क्या? विजयवाड़ा से आ रही थी क्या? नहीं, विशाखापट्टनम से. No children, it was coming from Visakhapatnam. So what is it true or false? It is false. So children, we have already discussed the face sheet 1, face sheet 2. So we have covered these two face sheets of talking train. So children, we will discuss the lesson in next class. hope you all have enjoyed the class, children. So what I have forgot to say something, children. What is that? Homework. What is that? Homework. What is today's homework, children? What is today's homework? The today's homework is you should write the names of vehicles which you know. क्या करना है बच्चों आपको आज? Vehicles की नेम लिखना है. कितने vehicles की नेम लिखना है? You should write 5 vehicles name. Students, you should write 5 vehicles names.